Infiniti has unveiled the 2016 Q50 ahead of the Detroit Auto Show. The significant refresh for the model will bring 5 powertrain options, a next-generation steering system, and a new digital suspension tuning system. 3 other powertrain options are also being offered on the 2016 Q50, including a 4-cylinder gasoline. Standard is a 3.0-liter V6 twin-turbo with 2 output options. The standard version has an output. The other significant changes to the 2016 Infiniti Q50 come in the drivetrain, 5 options. Direct adaptive steering works hand-in-hand with the newly updated dynamic digital suspension option, which changes suspension tuning. Debuting on the 2016 Infiniti Q50 is the second-generation direct adaptive steering system. Standard on 2016 Q50s, this system utilizes the 3.0L V6 or hybrid powertrains and is made to give a more fly-by-wire feel that adapts to the driver's needs. Most of the improvements made, Infiniti says, were to create a more conventional feel to the steering feedback. The amount of steering assistance and feedback the system offers can be customized by the driver to suit personal preference. Steering is also actively adjusted to suit the vehicle's speed and driving conditions. Direct adaptive steering works hand-in-hand with the newly updated dynamic digital suspension option, which changes suspension tuning to suit driving conditions or driver preference. The DDS system changes suspension dampers and shock absorbers to tighten or loosen responses. This allows a softer, more comfortable ride when desired and a stiffer, more sport-tuned ride in spirited driving. The system has been upgraded with more response options and electronic programming upgrades to give more adjustments triggered by various vehicle inputs. The other significant changes to the 2016 Infiniti Q50 come in the drivetrain. 5 options are available, starting with a 3.0-liter V6 twin-turbo with 2 output options. The standard version has an output of 300 horsepower and 295 pounds-foot of torque. The higher output option raises those numbers to 400 horses and 350 pounds-foot of torque. Both engines offer peak torque at 1,600 rpm and through to 5,200 rpm, a very broad output range. According to Infiniti, fuel efficiency is improved despite these higher outputs. The more efficient twin-turbo system, turbine speed sensor, and optimized turbo design contribute to these performance metrics. Valve timing control and an electric motor on the valve timing system give more precise reactions, also boosting efficiency. Finally, the high-pressure direct injection gasoline system, appearing for the first time on the Q50, also improves fuel economy. Infiniti does not have fuel economy numbers for the new V6 options, but believes they will be a near 7% improvement over the previous model year. 3 other powertrain options are also being offered on the 2016 Q50. These include a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that outputs 208 horsepower and 258 pounds-foot, and a 2.2-liter turbodiesel will be available, offering 168 horsepower and 295 pounds-foot. A hybrid powertrain combining a 3.5-liter V6, lithium-ion battery, and electric motor is also an option. This system outputs 360 horsepower. All of these engine options are matched to a 7-speed automatic transmission with a manual shift mode and steering-mounted magnesium paddle shifting.